This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to see your Coinbase wallet address. First, open your Coinbase wallet application on your mobile device. Once inside, look for the Receive button, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap this, then choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. Your unique wallet address for that asset will then appear, ready for you to copy and share. Finding your address on the mobile app is straightforward. After opening the Coinbase wallet app, you'll see a navigation bar at the bottom. Tap the Receive icon there. A list of your crypto assets will appear. Select the one you need an address for. The app will then show you the address, often with a QR code and a convenient button to copy it. It's crucial to understand that each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address. For example, your Bitcoin address is different from your Ethereum address. Sending funds to the wrong type of address can lead to irreversible loss of your assets. Always double-check that the cryptocurrency you intend to receive matches the address you are sharing or using. Accuracy is key in crypto transactions. When sharing your Coinbase wallet address, always prioritize safety. Only share your address with people you trust. Utilize the copy function within the app to avoid any typos, which could lead to lost funds. Remember, your wallet address is public, but your private key and recovery phrase are not. Never share those. If you're ever unsure, confirm the address with the sender before they initiate a transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.